Welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss about multiplication of 2 and 3 digit numbers. First of all, without regrouping. Without regrouping, how do we do the multiplication? Arrange the numbers in columns of ones and tens. Multiply the ones first, then multiply the tens to get the final answer. For example, multiply 23 by 3. First of all, arrange the numbers in columns. "23 multiplied by 3. And multiply the ones first. So 3 ones multiplied by 3 is equal to this. 3 ones multiplied by 3. What we get? 3 threes are 9, 9 ones. So write 9 in the ones column. Now multiply the tens next. So what will you get? 23, 3. Now this answer is 9, you know it. Multiply the tens next. That means 2 tens multiplied by 3. This I can write it here. 2 tens multiplied by 3. What we get? 2 threes are 6. 6 tens. So write 6 in the tens column. So our answer is 23 multiplied by 3 is equal to 69. Let's look at the next question. Next question is multiply 243 by 2. Again arrange the numbers in columns. So this is 243 multiplied by 2. Their place values ones, tens and 100. Multiply the ones first. So 3 ones multiplied by 2. 3 ones multiplied by 2 is equal to 3 twos are 6, 6 ones. So write 6 in the ones column here. Now multiply the tens next. 243 multiplied by 2. Now you get the ones answer, which is 6. To multiply the tens is 4 tens multiplied by 2, which is 4 tens multiplied by 2. 4 twos are 8, 8 tens. Write 8 in the tens column. Now multiply the hundreds. 243 multiply by 2. I am writing it here. 243 multiply by 2. At ones place this is 6, tens place 8. Now multiply the 100. That means 200 multiply by 2. 200 multiply by 2 is equal to 400. 2 2s are 4. 4 hundreds. So write 4 in the 100 columns here. So our answer is 243 when multiplied by 2 is equal to 486. Okay, let's do some more questions. Okay, find the product of the following. This is TO. Your number is 34 when multiplied by 2. So first of all, multiply the ones first. That means 4 ones multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 ones. So write this 8 in the ones column. 34 multiplied by 2. Ones place is 8. Now multiply the tens next, which is 2 multiplied by 3 tens multiplied by 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6 tens. So write this 6 in the tens place. So our answer is 34 multiplied by 2 is equal to 68. Now next question is 2TO. This is your B part. TO 21 multiplied by 4. Write this sign of multiplication here, not under tens. Now first of all multiply the ones first. That means 1 ones multiply by 4 gives us 4. 1 4s are 4. 4 ones. So write 4 in the ones place. Similarly multiply tens next. This is 2 tens multiplied by 4, which is 2 4s are 8. 8 tens. Write this 8 in the tens place. So our answer is 21 multiplied by 4 is equal to 84. C part. Next question is, this is TO 85 when multiplied by 1. So similarly multiply the ones first, which is 5 ones when multiplied by 1 gives you 5 ones. So write this 5 in the ones place. Now multiply the tens next. 8 tens multiplied by 1 is equal to 8 tens. Write this 8 in the tens place. So 85 multiplied by 1 gives us 85. Or you can also say that this is the multiplication by 1 property. And what does it said? It said that when any number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. Now multiply the 3-digit numbers. H, T, O. It is 3, 3, 1 multiplied by 3. Okay, multiply the ones first, which is 1 ones multiplied by 3. 1 ones multiplied by 3. 1 3s are 3. 3 ones. Write this 3 in the ones place. Now come at the tens place. 3 tens multiply by 3. 3 threes are 9. 9 tens. Write 9 in the tens place. And the last is 100. 3 hundreds multiply by 3 gives you 3 threes are 9. 9 hundreds. So write this 9 in the 100 place. So the answer is 331 multiplied by 3 is equal to 993. Next question is HTO. It is again a 3-digit numbers. 342 multiply by 2. Multiply the ones first, which is 2 ones multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 twos are 4. 4 ones. So write this 4 in the ones place. Now multiply the tens next, which is 4 tens multiplied by 2 gives 4 twos are 8. 8 tens. So write 8 in the tens place. And next is 3 hundreds multiplied by 2 is equal to 3 twos are 6. 6 hundreds. So write this 6 in the 100 place. So 342 multiplied by 2 is equal to 684.